NASA has just built an engine that could potentially reach up to 99% of the speed of light. Let me explain. What exactly is the helical engine, and why is it generating so much buzz in the scientific community? Put simply, it's a theoretical engine design that could potentially revolutionize the way we travel through space. The helical engine is based on a concept called quantum vacuum plasma thrusters. Essentially, it works by creating a flow of particles that travel through a helical coil in a vacuum. By altering the coil's rotation, it's thought that the engine could generate thrust in a way that's significantly more efficient than traditional rocket engines.